So one of the biggest advantages with the new Mac Mini, now that it's updated and not 28 years old, is the fact that you can essentially build out your perfect setup. Like Steve Jobs once said, BYODKM. Now clearly the Mac is mini, the desk on the other hand, not so much. In the ongoing series of me butchering IKEA names, the desk is called the Mockleby? Someone please correct me in the comments below, but regardless, this desk is big boy certified. Also, pro tip, if you're looking for a desk at IKEA, don't look in the office section. The best ones are in the dining area, for real. Now, huge emoji hands to ViewSonic for sponsoring today's Dream Desk, because that monitor behind me, just like the desk, is big with 3 Gs. This is the VP3881, which is a monster 38-inch ultra-wide display that is packing 6 million pixels in a beautiful curved package. Seriously, if Andre the Giant was chefing up videos, this would be his go-to monitor. It was so big, that's the reason why we had to go pick up a dining room table, because a normal desk would not accommodate this curved colossal beauty. Now, this display isn't just big and beautiful, it's actually a really awesome choice for content creators. You of course have that big curved display, so you're immersed, you're pulled into your content, whether it's photos, whether it's videos, and on top of that, you have 99% sRGB coverage, and this also supports HDR10. In this case with the Mac Mini, because the monitor supports USB 3.1, it works perfectly, but you also have HDMI and DisplayPort. So if all that sounds amazing, you guys want to check this monitor out, there's actually a special deal, link down below. From there, if you couldn't tell, we got this beautiful space gray dark theme going on, and shout out to the OG Black Power Ranger. Everything from the Mac Mini to the speakers to the accessories, the mouse, the keyboard, the wireless charging, everything is... Now with the setup, yeah, we got tons of space gray, but there's also some blue tones going on, so it's time for a little lamp love. This is the Forza from IKEA. Just keep on butchering names, but it's got a little bit of that space gray, a little bit of that blue, and kind of complements everything perfectly. Now for the speakers, these are the MX Sound from Logitech. They look great, but they're also relatively inexpensive. So maybe you're not ready for that entire desk overhaul just yet, but you're looking for a step up in audio, these are a fantastic choice. Sound-wise, these are relatively compact, but they will punch you in the face without you knowing. It's pretty big considering the size, and what's also really cool is these are Bluetooth. So in this case, it's one less wire, and it's keeping everything nice, clean, and tidy. Now going back to the Mac Mini, why I think it's a really good option is you are in control of everything. So if you want just the Mac Mini and a monitor, you can do that. Or in my case, if you want just a little more power, I added a Blackmagic External GPU, which makes a huge difference for video editing. It also doubles as a hub, is looking really good in space gray, and normally on an average sized desk, I would say things would be cluttered, but this thing sits perfectly on this giant setup. Now going back to the keyboard and the trackpad, I went with this option to keep things super clean and simple, but if you're more of a mouse kind of person, you could easily swap that out. But in this case, I kind of just really liked one, the space gray look and how everything flowed together. What's kind of like the secret sauce of this setup though, one of my personal favorite touches is the Native Union wireless charger, which kind of sits there perfectly, kept nice and tidy between the crevice in the middle of the desk, all stealthy ninja-like. Most phones charge wirelessly these days, so having that option in front of you, easily accessible, and also not looking like an eyesore is really handy. Also, what would a tech desk setup be without a plant? And baby Groot. I'll catch you guys later.